Okay, so this one is telling us to find the equation and then the focus. And we're told that this is parabolic shaped and that it's 96 feet across and that it's 6 feet deep. And that we should write the equation that the edges of this are going to be level with the x-axis. Okay, so for that, let me draw a little sketch of that as much as I can. So we have some kind of parabola here. It's opening up, so it's going to be an x squared positive. And if that's my x-axis, that's my y-axis, it's telling me that the parabola comes up to these edges and that this vertex is 6 feet below the level. So this point right here is 0, -6. And I think they told us that this is 96 feet across at that point. So that means that at this point, half of 96 would be 48. So this point is 48 and 0. I could use this one too. I'm just going for the one without the negative. So with that information, and I know this is x squared and positive because it's opening up. So let me just write out that formula. X minus h squared equals 4a and y minus k. I know my vertex, and this is 0, so let's simplify that to x squared. I don't know a, that's the problem. If I knew a, I would also know how high above the vertex to put the focus, because that distance is defined as a. So we're just going to leave this as 4a, and then y minus the -6 would come out y plus 6. So now we just have to figure out a, that gives us that distance, and it will give us our equation, and that's where that point right there comes in. So I know that when x is 48, y is 0. So we'll go 48 squared equals 4a, y is 0, so that reduces to 6. So this is going to be 48 squared equals 24a, and if you divide that over, I got a to be 96. And so that means for the second part, how far above the vertex should the receiver be placed? Remember that the distance from the vertex to the focus and the vertex to the directrix is both a, so this should be 96 feet above. And then to write the equation, which is where I think you had trouble, all we got to do is fill in this a. So x squared equals 4 times 96, and that will make 384, I believe. Yeah. And then y plus 6, and then careful not to get that square on there. So y plus 6, and then that should be your equation. Hopefully that helps.